Personal Glory here. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with a review from a company called Fit First. Had asked me if I would review this sleep, it's a white noise machine, and it also charges your phone at the same time, so it's got a dual purpose to it. But this is the box that it came in. I've already taken it out. This is the machine here, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in after I've discussed a few things about it first, and then let you get to hear all the different sounds that it makes. The sounds are here. There are 10 different ones you can use, anything from a cricket to a babbling brook to birds to a lullaby to a fireplace to just white noise to ocean, to a thunderstorm, to a frog, all kinds of noises that you can choose to help you sleep at night. It's supposed to be where when you turn it on and you're ready for bed, some people really can, especially who live in the city or in an apartment, or you go to a hotel, anywhere, you can take this with you. It's portable. And you want to go to sleep at night and you have some difficulty sleeping, sometimes just listening to the crickets, like you're outdoors, or babbling brook, or some people like to listen to thunderstorms, and so on and so forth. You can choose which one you want and then go to sleep listening to that. Now here's the on and off button here, as you can hear, on and off. That's the volume. It goes pretty high, and I will let you hear it in just a moment. And then on top here, these are rubber backings here, as you can see. You're supposed to be able to put your iPad, your mini pad, your phone on here, and because it is a rubber back, it will not slip or slide. There is a little bit of a shelf kind of right here that will help keep it there as well. And then it comes with all of these USB cables. Okay, the first one that it comes with is the actual plug here that you'll plug in. This is not battery operated. You have to keep it plugged in all the time. So here's the plug for the outlet, and then here is the really long, it's about almost 3 feet long, this long cord here with the USB here. You plug this in here as so, and then you plug it in the back here, and then it will charge for you. So then you just plug it in and it charges. Then it comes with 2 other USB cables that came in this little bag here. There is one, this one specifically, you can tell by the outlet here, the plug-in. This is for an iPhone or your iPad. It's not very long, but it's long enough that you just plug it into your phone, and then you plug it in here, and then you plug it into your phone, and then you just sit your phone there. So it's long enough just for what you need it for, to charge your phone. So that's for an iPhone or an iPad. Now, I don't have one, so this cable I cannot use, but it does come with it in case you do. Then there's this one, which is for an Android phone. Same thing, plug it in the back, plug it in your phone, sit your phone here. Now, the only downfall that I have is that I have an Android phone, but it's a Google Pixel 2 phone, and this Android adapter here will not fit my phone. I have to literally use my own cable. I have to use my own in order for me to use this, because the cables they sent don't work for my phone. But it'll work for the majority. Not everybody has. Google's come out with this phone, and it's about the only phone that I know of so far that is difficult to find a USB cable to fit it. So these will fit the normal basic phones, your iPhone and any other Android type phone, just not mine. So, but I can use my own, so it's not useless to me. I can still use this, and I will show you using my own cable here in just a moment. But that's everything it came with. Now, these buttons up here, this one here is, you can play music. This has a Bluetooth. There is a speaker on each side, a speaker here and a speaker here. So when you put your phone in, and it's charging, and it's here, and it's plugged in, you can turn up the volume all the way high, choose your Pandora, you know, whatever music you may have on your phone. It's Bluetooth, so you just connect your phone to this, and then the music will come out of the 2 speakers on either side. This button here can go back a track. This button here will pause your music. This one will go to the next track, to the next song. This one here is the one that you will actually push when you first want to connect your device, which I will show you. And then this one here is a timer with these 3 lights that you see here: 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 90 minutes. You can play your songs while you're falling asleep and set it to a timer to go off in 30 minutes or 60 or 90. Or you cannot choose the timer at all and let it play all night. It works the same way for all of these sounds here. You can choose whatever sounds you want and then choose to listen to it for only 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 90 minutes. And if you don't want it and you want to listen to it all night long, don't choose the timer and just choose which one you want, turn up the volume, and let it go all night long. Now, this is not so loud that it's not going to drown out street noises. So if you live in the city and you're listening to a lot of outside street noise and think that this would work for that to drown it out, it won't. It's not that loud. So I have been using this already. I like it. And let me tell you also about the charging of my phone. I plugged my phone in and charged it. It was at 9%. And it was at 50% within about 30 to 35 minutes. So it charged my phone quickly. It has lightning speed charging your phone. It really does, really fast. So that's a plus as well. So let me come back in just a moment when I have this all plugged in, and I will let you listen to some of the sounds. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I am back. I have it plugged in. We're going to go ahead and listen to some of the sounds this machine makes here to help you sleep. I'm going to turn the volume up. I'm going to turn it all the way up. And okay, the first one here, this is crickets. All right, the next one is a brook. The next one's a bird. Lullaby. And then this one is a frog. We have the white noise. Ocean. fireplace. This one is Tic Tac, it's called. It's a clock, the ticking of a clock. And the last one is Thunderstorm. Coming out of the speakers on either side and the back. So those are the 10 different noises that it makes. White noise, they're called, to help you sleep. It's nice for also a nursery because it has the lullaby to play for your child if you want them to help them go to sleep at night. So it's really nice, all the different varieties that it has of noises to help you sleep. Now, I went ahead and plugged in my own cable. As you can see, I explained that about my phone, the kind of phone I have. I plugged in my cable here. Now, it's plugged into my phone right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on here, and we're going to see how I can go ahead and connect my phone through the Bluetooth to this and play some Pandora. So let's see. All right, there is my phone. And then we're going to go ahead and push this button, which is supposed to connect it Bluetooth wise. Connect. That is the sound you will hear when it connects the two devices Bluetooth together. Mode. And did you hear her? She spoke and said Bluetooth mode. So now I am connected my phone to the device. So let's go ahead and see if we can hear the music. And there you go. The Bluetooth is connected. Pandora is playing through the speakers. Now, I have this all the way up, but make sure you have the volume on your phone all the way up as well, or you're not going to hear it very loud. So there you go, guys. Now, I can go ahead and set it to go off any amount of times like I had explained 30, 60, 90. This is the timer button here. I can pause it. By pressing that button, it paused the song. And then you can go backwards to play the previous song or forward to play the next song. And there you go, guys. I like this. I really like this. It works well. I recommend it. I'm going to have the site link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. Like I said, everything it comes with, the two phone cables for Android or for iPhone. It comes with the actual cable connection to plug it into the wall. It is not battery operated. It does have to be plugged in all the time, but it charges your phone very fast. All 10 of these are wonderful. It works great. I've not had a problem with it. So I recommend this product. I like it. So there you go. All right, guys, I'm going to get off here. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. Check out this kind of machine. Like I said, it's portable. Take it with you. You can take it and use it in a hotel room while you're on vacation, anywhere. For your child's room, to help your child sleep when you're having trouble sleeping. If you live in the city or want to hear country type noises, there's 10 different ones to choose from. So, all right, remember to always let go, let God. No guts, no glory. God bless you. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.